How to delete a Google AdWords account. Permanent Google Ad and Google AdSense is a different type of account. Google Ad account use for promote a business, for example promote a YouTube channel for 4,000 watch hour completed or promote a website for traffic. It is possible only create a campaign on Google Ad account. In the picture showing how to delete PERMANENT Google Ad account. If account active and deactive, first log in your Gmail id, second select CT Google AdWords logo, third go to tools and setting, fourth go to remove access, then remove access, account will be removed from Gmail. Let's start it. When I am log in Google Ads account now, he told me log in account. When I am log in account there not show Google account, its mean account is delete, and I am received a email from Google Ads team. He told me now create a new account.